In this video, I will show you how to find the Shady Merchant in Ball Tower Defense. So everyone, welcome back into the channel. So in this video, I will show you how you can find the Shady Merchant in Ball Tower Defense. Finding the Shady Merchant in Ball Tower of Defense is actually quite hard. The first thing that you will need to do is to actually take a lap all over the lobby. As you can see, there are different areas where you can actually roam around the lobby. So you'll find the shop section, the play section, and the other sections on the lobby. According to the videos that I found, the Shady Merchant should be found on that area. And as you can see, that area was empty, so that means that the Shady Merchant is not yet present. So you'll need to actually really look for that on every edge that you find. The Shady Merchant is actually represented by a character on Ball Tower of Defense. So if you don't find a character beside the lamp, that means that the Shady Merchant is not in there. So you'll need to find a character that is actually beside a lamp wearing something black. Once you click on that character, you'll be able to find that label of Shady Merchant. So currently, while I'm roaming around, I cannot find the Shady Merchant. This is probably because it's already nighttime, so I'll probably need to try again next time. Look for the Shady Merchant on Roblox. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.